One of the first things she said is, "I am so sorry to all those women out there. This is a setback for all women in and outside the courtroom."
Amber Heard's attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, appeared on the Today Show hours after a jury determined that her client defamed Depp on all 3 counts in his lawsuit against her regarding a 2018 op-ed she wrote in the Washington Post about being a victim of domestic abuse. While expressing her discontent, Elaine said, "Really? What happened here? It's a tale of 2 trials. Johnny Depp brought a suit in the UK for the same case." The lawyer said in reference to Depp's 2020 UK libel case against The Sun, which had labeled him a wife-beater over Amber's allegations. But reacting to that argument, Depp's lawyer Ben Chu gave a convincing argument, binning Elaine's thoughts once and for all. So what was Elaine's argument and how did Chu handle it? Let's find out. During her first interview post-trial, Elaine said the burden of proof was easier for him there. The Sun had actually to prove that it was true, and the court found there, and we weren't allowed to tell the jury this, but the court found that Mr. Depp had committed at least 12 acts of domestic violence, including sexual violence against Amber. She continued, "So what did Depp's team learn from this? Demonize Amber and suppress the evidence? We had an enormous amount of evidence that was suppressed. In this case, that was in the UK case. In the UK case, when it came in, Amber won and Mr. Depp lost." Elaine claimed that among the evidence suppressed were very significant medical records, which showed a pattern going all the way back to 2012 of Amber reporting this to her therapist. Thwarting that argument, Depp's lawyer Ben Chu explained why Elaine's argument wouldn't work in the Court of Appeal. Firstly, Chu argues that in 2020, Johnny Depp lost his UK court case after a judge and no jury concluded he assaulted his ex-wife on a dozen occasions and left her in fear for her life. He explained that the libel case at the London court centered around an article in the UK's biggest tabloid, The Sun, which claimed Depp was a wife-beater. After a 3-week trial, the judge found the piece to be substantially true. In the UK, it was not a popular jury that rendered the verdict. It was a single magistrate who handed down the verdict, a substantial difference with respect to the latter litigation, Chu explained. In Fairfax, it was several members who acted as a jury of the people, with all the constraints that this entails. The jurors were asked not to consume information on the internet so as not to have their opinion modified. However, this order remained the responsibility of the individual juror. According to Chu, libel law was traditionally more favorable to plaintiffs in the UK, even leading to libel tourism, where plaintiffs sue in British courts to take advantage of their cause. In the US, plaintiffs face a much higher bar for proving libel of a public figure. Under American law, a plaintiff in a libel trial has to prove that they were harmed by an entity acting with actual malice, meaning they knew a libelous statement was untrue when they made it. And finally, the winning lawyer said the UK judgment lacked evidentiary factual value. It didn't contain competent or admissible testimony in any form. Additionally, Chu explained that the UK court did not have first-hand personal knowledge of the relationship between Amber and Depp. So if Elaine thought she would ride on the back of the UK ruling during the appeal hearing, she better think again. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!